serious dumb. And a girl from Ochi, I tell me, hey, she period blood. Z6 rise up.
People, I have to tell you that this is actual truth. They don't not put it in a song just for lyrics. This is factual information.
Reaction.
Yo, people. I don't know if I'm too late with the video or not, but yo, John Star, BYRON MESSIA, Teejay. People, two of the artists sang them this year, people. Drift and Talibans. Viewers and subscribers, me have a scoop. I have a scoop of why the clash really are going right now. I think we don't even say a clash. Because I know say such man I go back out after me. Listen, I if you listen to them sing it, I listen to Teejay sing a while ago. But I hear BYRON sing it. But people me hear say BYRON song kick out face, teeth, hand, mouth, everything. In crashy car them are drifting now. You see me I say, I that me hear say go on viewers and subscribers. But when I tell you what really are going behind the scenes, why Teejay do so, boom, and do wine do. You see me, because Teejay right now time drop the first song, you know. But guess what? So, you know, say a Teejay make the whole thing go on. But guess what? You can go far back and say, you know, say a BYRON make the whole thing go on too. Because BYRON goes to bunch of hard song with them call Taliban. A BYRON goes to bunch of hard song with them call Taliban people. And I say, yo, when BYRON goes to bunch of song, you know, people. You see me? This song goes to boom and just dash your drift, cause drift. Remember say drift, you know, hard song, you know. But look on the streams them, look on the numbers them want to go on right now. You see me I say, go check the numbers them and come back real quick if you don't believe what me I say. You see me I say, listen people, everything you do, you got people who ban when you for your thing, we hate when you for your certain thing, we go try to hold back you. You see me I say, we go try to fight you out in anything we do. You see me I say, in the life, school, girl thing, and in the music business. People. Right now, remember people, you have Summerfest, you know. You see me I say. Ray and Tay go on. I don't even point such finger and call too much name. Just know say BYRON MESSIA never perform on the thing, and that's because of who? Teejay. You see me I say. That's why BYRON MESSIA go man go so boom and drop the blood class screenshot them drop on Instagram and say, yo, the post them for them story and say, yo, two people tell you go suck him at them mother at Teejay and Summerfest. Remember, when you see that post, I can put the screenshot on the screen phone right there, so boom. You hear me? Alright. I know Mr. Teejay go so boom dog and do a thing like this, people. And go drop some screenshot when BYRON MESSIA did that hit him back in 2018, people. I think BYRON MESSIA even takes me to dog. You see me I say the dog I thought of the thing, brother. You see me I say? So that why you gonna drop a screenshot of an upcoming artist we reach out to you as a bigger artist for some work with you, for try to get a foot, get ahead in the music business there. Come on. What that have to do with nothing? What that have to do with nothing? Every artist do it. Check Cartel baby. What the man them come on, my general. You see me I say? Anyways now, Teejay goes to man drop him song, people. And in less than 24 hours, BYRON MESSIA goes to one drop collision. People. Them say BYRON MESSIA lead, and them say the song here right now will lead. You see me? So I'm going to see what I go on, people. But the end of the year is this thing all started because BYRON MESSIA have the most viewed dancehall song this year. The #1 dancehall song this year. You see me I say? Got more views, more streams than Drift. Taliban's bigger than Drift, and at that Teejay don't like. And that's what this a go on. But I don't know if I talk. I can see what I go on for college jam. Because I say whole heap of things go on in that song. I say whole heap of things go on in that song. Make we hear what I go on, people. We're going to run the tune right now. Pause boss or no pause boss? What do you want? No pause boss? Run tune!
To base be the glory.
Alright then. Bumbo clad. Well on there, that's him feel left out. Him feel left out, everybody call up the name people. Everybody call up MESSIA name people. The dog say him feel left fucking out, people. The dog say him feel left out. But guess what? The dog started song. The dog say, yo, Swan Dan. Yo, Tyson, remember say, I Trinidad that in a dog. Trinidad say, Team Tyson, you know, dog. I never do that until recently I do a reaction and win. 2 days ago, I'm not telling me say that Team T mean in the comment section in the dog. You see me? I don't really know what I go on, but I know what I go on. Make we hear some more. Man say, I call up but say a name too. Go on.
For them fast, for them slow. Looking at the sky, you wanna see the junk.
Oh my God. The dog say go for them fast, slow. If you're looking at the sky, You go see the Jankro. Listen, people. The dog come for spit lyrics. That's like you come like it's gonna be Taliban's number 3, not part 2. Because you don't say 2 are better than boy band 30. This is gonna be Taliban 3. This song named Collision. Go on!
We are Talibans, we no ball like bitch. Shoot up the car where the pussy they my dream.
What me telling you say? What me telling you say? The dog say my Taliban, they not ball like no bitch. The dog say we are Talibans, we not ball like. And I shoot up the car where the pussy they my drift. What me telling you about the big? What me telling you started as some buckler before me even started the review or the reaction, people? What me telling you say? Because the dog sang bigger than drift where this thing start. Because the dog sang bigger than drift. Make we hear some over BYRON say, yeah, man.
Dog, me no fear than no bitch. See take load up every matic. We are Talibans, we no shoot and miss. Shoot up the car while the pussy they my drift.
Dog say, yo, him no ball like bitch. Dog I call you a straight up bitch. Yo, Teejay, you have to respond. You can't run from me clash again, dog. And you start it. You have to drop a song like today. Because they respond to you in less than 24 hours. You have to drop a song like today, Teejay. Put a big man meds. People, if you're not video right now, drop some comments down below in the comment section. I want to think about the song them are going right now. I want the thoughts. I want me to tell you a reason why the clash are going. Make your ears go on. Z-Tech I go load up. Z-Tech I go load up every clip. I know what?
Yo, dog, me no fear than no bitch. See, take load up every matic. Oh, fuck up in ya. We a killer gun, man, you buck up in ya.
Hold on. No TJ flow that. Me fuck up in ya. Drift. No TJ. What the blood glitter go on in that? Yeah, so if we never know who the dog got taught, no. You dog mention drift, and then you use the same flow from drift. People, who the dog got taught now, because some people got them feel for accept that TJ the dog and respond to right now, you know. Make we some more.
We kill a man, then we book a villa. Disgrace. Me send a killer, you give a pumpy shot, take off the rest of him weird. Be a bat, we are flying at the cave.
The dog call him fat. He does a pumpy shot, take off the rest of him blood clot. People are BYRON Messia name. A long time I work to BYRON Messia. You see me I say? Long time. And right now, the song you are going with things. If you sang hot, drop some fire emoji in the comment section. Me know me a pause with it, but people, everything the dog I say right now, everything he must say right now, I have to chat about it. I saw the clash thing go on. We go to some more.
Watch it pussy them a jiffy na the race. So the roll pan the mole pan the trigger like brakes. Pussy men do with a cover on a beer. Like Toronto, so me full of drakes.
Like Toronto, you full of drakes. Drake. Reference to Drake. Watch it pussy them a drifting at the race. Why you drifting in the race? When you supposed to a fly go to the top like what the dog Taliban sang do. To the top. And guess what go on? I'm telling you some more scoop. So remember the little thing where they go on with Teejay and Popcorn, right? Remember the little thing where they go on? Remember the little thing where they go on? And the same thing the dog I do right now, or him do to BYRON, you know? Only even know what go on to blood clot. More put watch the video right now. See if you watch the video right now to the party right now, when you drop the number 1 in the comment section, so I know say there. You see me? My opinion all the comment. Just drop number 1 in the comment section, so I know say you there. So see me still watch the video right now. Because I will motive telling you no dog. I don't even know to bambuckle bell. Run tune!
We are Talibans, we no ball like bitch. Shoot up the car.
Play the chorus again.
We are Talibans, we are no bitch. See take load up blood. Z6 rise up.
Voila.
See take a serious dumb.
Voila. Hold on. Never watch the chorus again.
Bitch. See take load up every matic.
Alright, now the dog will jump with the second bumbuckler verse. And that this will there suffer. Like the video. Don't run put me and like the video. Okay, don't so if you like the video, so everybody can know so the reaction boss did the baddest reaction and give them the baddest scope. So say if you see when a song drop, and you're so first enough to come in a dog. You see me, if a dog post the reaction them before me, just know say me I come with the scoop and reason behind the song and what the man them talk about in the song. And yes or no for that. You hear me? Make you hear what I say. When I hear what I go on the second verse now.
See take a serious dumb. And a girl from Ochi tell me yeah, she period blood. Z6 rise up.
People, I have to tell you that this is actual truth. The dog not put it in the song just for lyrics. This is factual information. What the dog get from a girl from Ochi. And we can call it be right now. Factual information, people. Tell you that. Where's the dog say?
Take a serious dumb. And a girl from OG
Yeah,
tell me
yeah, that period come.
These six rise up 17 and gun. And watch he pussy pan him knees a cry like sweet say Jesus.
What clot? Why dog say? People me couldn't believe what me hear. Me have to call me and say, yo, I true this dog. And dog I say, yeah dog, I true. Me couldn't believe it. Because I swear it's a lie bearing a tell. I'm bearing the number to lie in a song. So them bad like night. Me right it. And the boy don't step on me Nike. And the next thing too. People. Who that song? Who BYRON do that song there with people? Right? Now who Teejay sign with? Okay, rest I tune. People, me tell you, watch the whole video. Alright.
Come, no bag attacking me, I do it and done. Head a bust and blood a leak pangong. Man a savage, we put stab in a belly, me even need a gun. But tell me how me fi murder them son.
The man call him son. The man say me blood clot. BYRON, why you going so bad for me general? You take it to heart, me G. Me know say you a bad artist in the dog. But John know you not have to deal with your son, so. You don't have to deal. People, listen to Teejay just like already told the dog. You see me and say? You see me? And I know I said that's something come out before. I don't know, listen to them reaction and I know what's saying. Just I make sure me try to get that one first. You see me? But John know you dog call Teejay, son. Cloud, you're somewhere tune.
We are Talibans, we no bad like bitch. Show up the car, that pussy the dick. We are Taliban, me no fear that.
You not sit down in the NI song, dog. Alright then. You don't sit down in the NI song, but viewers and subscribers, people. Me give you a rundown again. So this all started because the dog song do better than theme song. You see me? The dog goes so boom. And why BYRON goes so boom and make that post so make on Instagram talk about them and forget so them at Soundfest and Teejay. Because Teejay fight, forget the dog, for not perform on Soundfest. Because if BYRON, me see what go on, me tell you what go on. You see me I say, if Teejay say this, take it, listen to me now right now. Now listen to me. Teejay say, yo, any old BYRON goes to boom and come perform, him not perform today. If BYRON perform at Soundfest, Teejay say him not go perform there so. You see me? And you know say Teejay bigger artist than BYRON. You see me say veteran of the thing. So they know who them go choose over the dog. Who them go choose. And so you see who them choose. And that's why BYRON goes to boom and make that post the way make. You see me? And then Teejay goes to boom. So when for say, you see me I say, and then go so boom, I send out a screenshot them. And the dog link him in the DM, I say, yo, Ray and Tay, you see me I say, you look up to your Ray, like his style Ray, whichever young artist do. You see me I say, you get the thing what go on now. But remember again the people, I same thing Popcorn they do to Teejay and a dog. You see me I say, he may not go the same exact route, but the same way they go on a dog. You see me? So right now, me not gonna lie. Me know say Teejay never expect BYRON to come out them way or him come out with that song, yeah. But me want to see if Teejay go jump out and do the clash thing in the dog. Because you know say Popcorn is a man, you don't know that clash thing. And right now you know say Popcorn, you don't know Popcorn stay with Prince One and them money already to on a dog. You see me I say, but you know Popcorn is not a man for someone and a bag of clash thing and a clash thing and a clash thing. And man they will start the clash and go and burn all the winning clash and just stop. You hear me? But go see what I'm going right now. I drop the video phone right now. Just like the video. Drop in the comments down below in the comment section. People, let me know what you think about what going on over here. So I'm telling you, I have a scoop of everything what go on. Say if a song come out or something that's going behind the scenes. I could have the baddest review. Them man could have 1 million bumbuckler subscribers on YouTube. They don't have a scoop with me have. Them man could have 1 million subscribers on YouTube. Them not have a scoop with me have. You see me? I go sign out to that video still. I go soon another one here, man. Big up your girl for credit. See me. Big up yourself. Everybody watch your reaction, boss. You see me? I say, peace.
Same thing.